Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Nick, aka Dad.
And I'm Addie, aka the Monkey.
Hey, and as you know, we've been working on some issues that we're finding on the Bronco, and one is actually deals with my left leg. And Monk has heard me plenty of times we're driving, and she said, "What's the problem?" And I tell her what happened. So,
let's get started.
Hey, like we said, there's an issue I found with the Bronco, and it's not only when I was working at the dealership and had, dress shoes on, but I found with sneakers being super wet even, that my dead pedal was super slippery. You get in, you put your foot on it, you kind of put some weight on it to adjust yourself in the seat, and it slips up, and you hit your shin right into the lower dash. And I'm like, oh! And then Monk's like, what happened? I'm like, oh, my leg just hit the bottom of the dash. After a while, I'd start having that, and Monk would say, hit your shin into the dash again? Yeah. Well, I got tired of it. So I started thinking, what can we do to make this not an issue? So, first off, took off our dead pedal. There it is. If you don't know what it is, this is on the floor of your Bronco on the far left side where it's just a dead pedal. This does absolutely nothing. But there's really no grip to this. It's just ABS plastic, I'm assuming. And you get the little ridges here for your foot. And that's where the problem lies. As soon as I put a wet shoe against this, whoop, slips right up, hit my shin. So we came out with this little kit. So we came out and we found some traction tape. And this is something you can do at home. You don't have to. We're going to make this available on our website at monkeybusinessoffroad.com. And these are already cut out. We had them laser cut out of traction tape. So we'll kind of go over how to put this kit on. Or like I said, you can do it at home. We just wanted to make it available because then you don't have to worry about cutting tape, buying tape. It's already ready to go. We've actually included some adhesion promoter as well, just to make sure that this stuff grips really well. And we'll go over a little bit more about each little piece too. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do with our dead pedal is you're gonna pop it off, and really, you just take a flat bladed screwdriver or a trim removal tool, and you just get underneath these edges and it pops right up. It's only held on by those little white plastic clips that we're all used to on these Broncos, and it pops right off. So the first thing we'll do is we'll get this nice and clean. We'll use some Dawn dish soap, wash this off, and then get it nice and dry. Now that we have it washed off, dry thoroughly.
Once you have your dead pedal dry, take your adhesion promoter and wipe off all of the raised parts of your dead pedal. Feel free to use a glove with this part of the installation. Once you have applied all the adhesion promoter to the dead pedal, wait 5 minutes before applying the traction tape.
Now that it's been 5 minutes and you've given the adhesion promoter time to set up, all of our traction tape is labeled 1 through 6, starting from the top down. Just make sure when you take off the backing that it's orientated right to match the square that you're putting it on. And there you go. Now that you have your traction tape applied to your dead pedal, now all you need to do is reinstall it. I would give it a little bit of time just to make sure that all this adheres really well before you start putting your shoe on it, whether it's wet or even dry. Just give it time to set up. If you're interested in this little kit that we came up with, you can head over to our website, monkeybusinessoffroad.com. Check out our store and the other merchandise we have available and our tailgate Bronco brace limiter. But as always, we appreciate you watching. If you're not a subscriber, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, because Monk and I, we are constantly looking for tips, tricks, and products that we use on our Bronco that you can use on yours. As always, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.
Bye.